Alright, fourth or fifth try now to make this video. Alright, so, what do you think? What do you think, huh? It looks all pretty. I've got it mounted. In my last video I showed the specs of these two objects, and now I have them hooked up. I had a few mistakes. I had to replace 6.3 amp slow blow fuse. I had to look it up. I replaced it with a 4 amp slow blow. Let's do this. Let's try not to die. I'm going to unplug it from the wall, then flick it on, and then plug it in, because I feel safer over here. Alright, you want to... Made a little click noise. Alright, let's see, let's see. Oh, it works. It says that it's charging. Says that it's charging. Alright, so Andrew's not so stupid after all, eh? Alright, let's look at this. Let's look at it proper. I have done this so many times that I can't even remember what I did say and didn't say. Alright, so yeah, it is charging it at 29.5 volts, right? It's charging up my batteries safely from the wall. I don't know what the amperage is. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Alright, 14 minus 14 plus 4, oh whatever. You know, if you're watching these videos, you know how a multimeter works. I don't need to explain to you why I'm screwing up the plus and minus. Alright, so this is an interesting one here. Okay, so this is plus, the middle one is ground, right? Okay, so it's nice that these are working for me. Okay, so it's 9 volts positive, 9 volts negative. You know what they did. They cheaped out like there was no tomorrow on all these parts. And so that's 19 volts, 9 and 9, which is really weird. Like the weirdest thing. And this one saying 15, what the? 6 volts. Like, why? It's supposed to be positive. I would have to flip the leads around. Anyway, so there's, for some, like it's an audio amp. So something in a car needs 6 volts, 9 volts, and 15 volts, and 37, like, or 19 volts, whatever. So anyways, I have it all wired up, and it's all fancy. Look at that. I even used liquid tape. Liquid tape. The food of champions, liquid tape. Here's another problem. You see those heat sinks? You see them? You see them? Oh look, the heat sinks are 30 volts. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I always wanted to be electrocuted. What the? 70 volts? Jesus, that can't be right. Jesus, no wonder I got electrocuted earlier. I got electrocuted by this one when I... Oh, fuck. Alright. I don't want to repeat what that one guy does. You know, that one YouTuber that just electrocutes himself all day building electronics. That's kind of a joke thing. Alright, 70 volts between these two. That's new. And terrifying. It would explain why it hurt so much when I just touched that one. Okay, this is like... Do I recommend this? No. No, I do not recommend this piece of death trap junk. Look at 70 volts. What the? 70 volts is only coming off of this guy. 70 volts. Are you insane? No voltage off this one. 12 volts off that one. This one. 14. 70 volts, like what? Who built this? Obviously it's from China and built by Chinese people, but who would design something that was such a blatant death trap? I do not recommend using this product to charge up stuff, but it does work. Positive side, yeah, it's already at 29 volts. 29, let's see if it cuts off at 29.4. It's a death trap. It's a blatant death trap. It's going to murder you and your family in your sleep. If you do buy this thing and use it to charge up things, maybe put it surrounded by drywall. Like, surrounded by drywall. Like, good drywall. Like this drywall. You know, not that cheap like 1/4 inch stuff. Surround the whole thing in drywall and just have the wires coming out of it. You know, put like warning stickers all over it saying you will die if you touch this box. You know, it works. It does work. It's 500 watts of pure goodness, but it's gonna murder you. It works. This works. This thing works. It's obviously doing stuff. I got a nice light on there, so I'm glad I bought that. They're cheap. It's fun to play with, but don't leave it plugged in. Definitely don't leave it plugged in, because you'll die. You'll die. You'll blatantly die. This balancing board is probably all you need. I'm going to test this one, compare it to that one. I'll get it all soldered up in a few days, but I wanted to make a video about this. Tell me what you think, please. I would love to know what you think of this. If any of you understand this car audio amp and why it has these voltages it does, please comment. Please let me know. Because there is no data on this thing whatsoever. There's no data sheets. It's nonsense. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Have a good day. Bye.